What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Angel by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you can never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's actually sampled from a song called Father Forgive Me by Shiloh Dynasty. They took it and they pitched it up a little bit, but it's using all the exact same chords. It's just 4 of them. They repeat throughout the entire song. The first chord is going to be here. It's 7X887X. Index finger on the 7th fret on the low E, ring finger on the D string on the 8th fret, pinky finger on the G string on the 8th fret, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the B string. And you're using your thumb to pluck your low E, your index finger to pluck your D string, middle finger to pluck your G string, ring finger to pluck your B string. And you just pluck them all at the same time. Then you kind of give it a little slap to mute it. Then you switch to the next chord, move that index finger down to the 6th fret on the low E, and then put your ring finger on the G string on the 7th fret and your pinky finger on the B string on the 7th fret. And I'm using my thumb to pluck the low E, my middle finger still to pluck the G, and my ring finger still to pluck the B. Same way you pluck it once and you slap to mute it. So from the first chord, then moving on to the next chord, it's going to be X6466X with your middle finger on the 6th fret of the A string, index finger on the 4th fret of the D string, ring finger on the 6th fret of the G string, pinky finger on the 6th fret of the B string, and you're plucking all of those the same way at the exact same time with your thumb on the A string now, index finger still on the D, middle finger still on the G, ring finger still on the B. All at the same time, and then mute. Then finally you're going 4-4-6-5-6-4. It's a bar chord. Just bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger. Then you're going to go 6th fret on the D string with your ring finger, 5th fret on the G string with your middle finger, and then 6th fret on the B string with your pinky finger. And here you're plucking the exact same way as the first chord. Low E with your thumb, index finger on the D still, middle finger on the G still, and ring finger on the B still. Same exact way, you pluck them all once, and then mute, and that kind of just repeats throughout the entire song. So slowly, it looks like this. First chord, mute, second chord, mute, third chord, mute, last chord, mute. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications notifications on and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.